January 11th, 2021 percents. All right, so we're going to take a look at this. I have some of this table over here filled in for us. Remember when we had our tens and our hundredths? So here we can take a look at the fraction, the decimal, and the percents. And then later on, we can take a look at this filled out for us as a reference. So percents, remember, is a rate in which the first term is compared to 100. Or in this case, it can also be compared to 10. So you have a part over whole, part to whole. So it's just like just like a ratio. All right, so first thing we're going to do over here, if we have 1/10, that is going to mean 0 and 1/10. You can also have 0 and 10 hundredths. That's fine too. So that's just going to be 10%. This next one, 2/10, you can write it as 0.2 or 2/10, and the percent will be 20%. The next one, 3/10, we can write that as 0 and 3/10. Our percent would be 30%. Next one, 4 out of 10, you can write 0 and 4/10. That can be 40%. Do you see a pattern here? 5/10, 0 and 5/10. 50%. If you get 5 out of 10 on a math quiz, you get 50%. 6 over 10 or 6/10, you are going to have 0 and 6/10, and it'll be 60%. 7 out of 10, 0 and 7/10, 70%. You can also put a 0 here. That's the same thing. 8/10 or 8 out of 10, you'll get 0 and 8/10, 80%. If you get 9 out of 10 on your math test, you get 0 and 9/10. Or if you divide 9 divided by 10, you get 0.9. So our percent is going to be 90%. And then if you get 10 out of 10, you get 1 because it's one whole. So if you get 10 out of 10 on a quiz, you get 100%. Don't make it tricky. It's easy like that. And that's going to be it for our last percent review for today. Or I should say our sneak peek. Great job.